Starting the morning out with some breakfast. This little guy, he loves to have his apples in the morning. He goes to see what's falling on the floor, and he kind of reaches up, see what he can get. He sure likes the apples. It must be like a Captain Crunch for him or something. It's like eating Fruity Loops with marshmallows. Alright, we're making breakfast day 2 here. We got some jalapeno cheddar jack broths. We got them all cooked up. We're cooking up some bacon. And then we're going to throw some hash browns in here and keep it going. Alright, we got a little different yesterday so we don't burn the bacon. We got the bacon cooked less time and I put it up high. Did the same thing for the sausage. Now we're going to throw the potatoes in. We got some seasoning salts on there. Man, you can smell that as soon as it hits. Some good stuff. Add a little leftover green onions. Things are moving along. We got some company this morning. Uncle Jerry came over down the road. He always wants to inspect to make sure we're under control. We're not violating any cooking ordinances. What do you think, Jer? Trying to make it tasty. Yeah. Those are good, Jeff. Them are good.
Oh, really?
Want to see good, Jeff?
No. It's okay.
Also going to try to cook it a little lighter. Yesterday's breakfast was the first breakfast on a biscuit, so I had a temperature a little too hot. We're cooking a little slower today. And things seem to be coming a lot better. I can't even imagine what it's going to taste like with some eggs in here. Then we're going to add some sadies. Hopefully there's some sadies left over. Tortillas, some cheese. Alright, it's starting to smell good here. You can smell the steam coming up with the garlic and seasoning. Do some seasoning fry in there. We got it, Jer. Be careful. Looking at the scenery, it's always beautiful. Looks like we're going to have a rainy day again. So it's good to get breakfast. Full tummies. Like I said, cooking everything a lot slower. Trying to learn how this disco works with the breakfast. Cooking it slow, not all the way full blast. Even though that flame looks light, pretty powerful. It's all blue. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see. You can see the bacon doesn't look that burned. Yesterday was kind of bad. But here's what the flame looks like. Just kind of slow. You can see it's nice and blue. Alright, the conversation always gets heavy at camp. We're just talking about life, experiences. Uncle James over here, he's been a coach for a lot of years, 30 years, seen kids. Some of them struggle and succeeding in life. Some of them going through adversity and being outstanding. Some have everything they need in life. Great parents, great love, faith background, end up on heroin. Don't mean to be all crazy at breakfast, but I guess that's how the conversation is just going, to be thankful for what we got. So more or less what we're getting to. We had great parents, and Dad always had us be outdoors, make sure we had faith. Mom always made sure we were doing good in school, great faith. Respect people, respect God. Now we're not saying hey we're the best people in the world, the most faithful or holier than now, but just good morning to be. We're thankful for what we have, and we're blessed. All right, we're almost there, so I'm gonna do a little trick here. I just turned it up a little bit so I can brown these, and I think we should be ready for the eggs. It's looking a lot better today. Smells good. I think the extra onions in there, oh, it's gonna make that delish. Yeah. All right, a little thing I've been doing too is turning the disc a little bit because it seems to be hotter on this side. So you can see those browned up. It's not browning up equally, but I think we're pretty much gonna call it good. There we go. It should be crispy enough. Going light on the eggs today, so we're just gonna go with 4 since we got plenty of food. Is it? Oh, there we go.
Oh, okay.
We're almost there, Brother Jer. Cooking on biscuit, Albuquerque, New Mexico. They custom make discs, and they can pretty much put any design. These guys are pretty good. And I found out they were coming to my particular part of town, Colorado, to a festival they have out there with all the farming chili fest they have every year. So last minute I said, hey, can you build this? And within a day or two, they had mine built. They brought it down, so I saved on shipping. Nevin Montano, the owner, real good guy, very friendly, personable, good hospitality, and so if you guys are interested in the biscuit, they are online. Make it really easy for you, quick. Bring you a lot of good memories. Looks like it's all coming together just like it should. What do you think, Jer? About time, huh?
Good, man.
Yeah. We're just about 2 minutes away from making our eyes roll back. Oh yeah, look at that, it's coming together. Michael James, you want to get some hand sanitizer right there and then get us the tortillas. Alright, we're just gonna mix everything together now. Look at that. That's gonna be good. The little bear, he don't like tortillas. Unless they're homemade. That's one of my next videos. Show everybody how to make some homemade. When I show you guys this, you're gonna flip how easy it is. Got a little secret. Hopefully I get a couple new subscribers from that video and a bunch of views. I've been teaching that recipe for a lot of years. I learned it from a lady by the name of Gonzalez. It's like the easiest recipe in the world. We'll have to get that. It's probably easier to do that from the home kitchen. Alright. Uncle James, you want to see if there's any of that Sadie's in there?
You fired it up.
I turned it off. Little bear, you ready?
Where did you put it?
I don't know, I thought it was on the top there somewhere. They're right here. So little bear's gonna give him some morning breakfast. Uncle James is gonna throw some cheese on his. Uncle Jerry don't want to eat, says they already ate. Make sure you get some cotton in there. Nice. Alright, we got some Sadie's on that. Let's see how it goes. Alright, this is what the final product looks like for eating this Cito Ranch. Give it a try. That's so good. Oh, that came out better. Even better than yesterday. We got all those flavors in your mouth. You got the bacon, sausage, the green chili, and the cheese. That's a good combo. Alright, we got another woodpecker here this morning. He's on the other side. If I go to the other side, he comes to this side. Where'd he go? There he is. He's just poking his nose in there. Pap. Not making any of the big sounds they normally do, but yeah, we've seen a lot of neat birds this week. There he is. Got a strong beak there. Pat, 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 pat. Ain't making any noise yet, but he's just looking for a spot to poke.